Hi guys, so today I'm looking at Bolte Bridge, Pam. So yeah, I'm in car, but like I swear, dude, look at this.
I'll be at work most likely.
There's so much. So those are real birds, and that's what he drew. So sorry, I can't really get like a good picture.
Then I might watch the second half if you watch it.
Hey, this is the F word.
I might watch the second half if you watch it. Because I might get home for the second half.
And then,
Work all
1 second.
day, then I wake up. Work all
Can you
day.
put on alien voice, Aya?
I have to find it.
But I'm recording. It's gonna go to.
Alright, tell us when you're done recording.
Okay. A says the F word and then you do. I hate that. So how you spell it is like this: B-O-L-T.
It's your ice cream.
B-O-L-T-E.
Yeah, I know.
Space B-R-I-D-G. Oh wait, that's H. G-E. Space P-A. And then don't press all, press images.
They got their red card over.
Like, this is him just chilling, dude. Wee.
They got a red card and then.
Hi y'all, welcome back to my video. So that's like his face, not fully though. That was the mask. But like, is he gonna jump off or something? There's an bro's bald, man. It's bald. That's all I can do in film. So yeah. Now, if let's look at this one actually. 1 sec. Wait, let me show my brother first. Wait, is he gonna jump off? Oh wait, is this? I don't know. I bet he's gonna jump off there. Where he gonna jump off to, dude? He ain't gonna jump off, right? No way he's gonna jump off. He's giving Victoria's bail was the bird. Oops. What is he doing up there? And then that's it. Wait, I'm trying to zoom in into way, but that doesn't work. I swear that's the way I swear that's the way 1, this is the way 2, this could have happened IRL, but like they put it into AI. What's that bat doing? There's a random bat. Look at that. Random bat swimming. And there's people yelling at him. And there's sad faces on something. Whatever it's called. Look at this dude. Yeah, I'm trying to zoom into his thing. Yeah. Guys, why are you naked, dude? That's so sus. If we go on sorry. Yeah. No. If we go on videos, we can see something. How many have he done? By the way, he done this. He got caught yesterday, actually. No, I don't have Instagram. Look at this. Bill's recording. Pam the bird shuts down Melvin's Bolte Bridge. Let's look at this one actually. Maybe not actually. Maybe look at it. I don't know. Let's see this one. how he got up by a rope. Yeah,